The chapter is Arithmetic Progression for Standard 10. The sixth term of an AP is 0. Prove that its 21st term is triple its 11th term. So A sixth term is 0. So A6 is equal to 0. Now we have to prove 21st term. So you have to prove A21 is equal to triple its 11th term. So thrice A11. So now we'll start with LHS. A21 is equal to A plus 20D. And A6 is equal to A plus 5D, is equal to A6 is equal to 0. Therefore, that is 0 is equal to A plus 5D. So, A is equal to minus 5D. Now, we will substitute this. Substituting this in 1 in 2, substituting 1 in 2, we get A21 is equal to A is minus 5D plus 20D. So you get this as 15D. So A21 is 15D. Now let us find A11. So this is A21 is equal to 15D. Now A11 is equal to A plus 10D. Now this is equal to A can be written as minus 5D plus 10D is 10D, that is equal to 5D. Now thrice A11 is equal to 3 into 5D is equal to 15D. So from 2 and 3, you can say A21 is equal to thrice of A11. The sum of the first n terms of an AP is 5n minus n squared. Find the nth term of this AP and find the 10th term. So it's given Sn is equal to 5n minus n squared. Now we have to find the nth term. An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So this is a formula which you have to learn. To understand this formula, let us assume 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 12. This is a 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Sorry. This is an AP. So the sum of n terms. So sum of 3, 6 terms. So S6 will be 6 by 2, 3. Then 3 plus 13, 16. S6 is 48. Now we have to find, suppose we have to find A5. So S5 will be equal to 5 by 2 into 3 plus the fifth term is here 11. So 14. So 5, 14 by 2, 7. It is equal to 35. So now if we have to find, so if we do S6 minus S5, you get 48 minus 35, 13. So you get the nth term. So S6, the full sum of all the 6 terms minus sum of the fifth, all the 5 terms. If you subtract, you will get the nth term. This is A6. The same thing we are using here. An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Now Sn is equal to 5n minus n squared. So Sn minus 1 is equal to, this is only an example for you to understand. You don't have to. So now Sn minus 1 will be, you have to simply substitute n minus 1 in the place of n. So this is 5 into n minus 1 minus, in the place of n minus 1. So n minus 1 the whole square. So this is equal to 5n minus 5 minus of n squared minus 2n plus 1. So that will become 5n minus 5 minus n squared plus 2n minus 1. So that is minus n squared plus 7n minus 6. Now we will find an is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So Sn is 5n minus n squared minus of minus n squared plus 7n minus 6. So you get 5n minus n squared plus n squared minus 7n plus 6. So n squared will get cancelled. 5n minus 7n will become minus 2n plus 6. So you get an is equal to minus 2n plus 6. Now we have to find the 10th term. To find the 10th term, you can simply substitute the value of n as 10 and then you will get a10. So a10 is equal to minus 2 into 10 plus 6, that is minus 20 plus 6 is equal to minus 14. So a10 is equal to minus 14. The sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 182. So S7 is equal to 182. And if its 4th and 17th terms are in the ratio 1:5. So A4 by A17 is equal to 1 by 5. You have to find the AP. So these are the data given. So A4 by A17 is equal to 1 by 5. So we can write 5 A4 is equal to A17. It means 5 into A4 is A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus 3D is equal to A plus 16D. So we get 5A plus 15D is equal to A plus 16D. 5A plus 15D is equal to A plus 16D. So we get 4A is equal to D. Now we have S7 is equal to 182. So S7, you can write S7 as 7 by 2 into 2A plus 6D is equal to 182. So we can substitute D is equal to 4A. So 7 by 2 into 2A plus D is 4A. So 6 into 4, 24A is equal to 182. So 26A is equal to 182 into 2 by 7. So A is equal to 182 into 2 by 7 into 26. If you simplify, you get, this is equal to, if you divide all this, you get A is equal to 2. So D is equal to 4A, that is equal to 8. Now you have to find the AP. So the AP is equal to, if the first term is 2, this D is 8, so it is 2 plus 8, 10, then 18, 18 plus 8, 26, etc. The sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 63. So S7 is equal to 63. The sum of its next 7 terms is 161. Find the 28th term of this AP. So the sum of 14 terms will be sum of this 7 terms plus sum of next 7 terms, that is 161. So this is equal to S7 is 63 plus 161, 224. So S14 is 224, S7 is 63. You have to find the 28th term of the AP. You have to find A28. So S7 is 63. So we will write S7 as 7 by 2 into 2A plus 6D is equal to 63. So we get 7. From this we get 2A plus 6D is equal to 63 into 2 by 7. So 9 into 2, 18. So A plus 3D is equal to 9. So this is the first equation. Now we have S14 is equal to 224. So this is S7 is equal to. So S14 is equal to 14 by 2 is 7. 2A plus 13D is equal to 224. So this is equal to 2A plus 13D is equal to 224 by 7. So this is equal to 32. So you get 2A plus 13D is equal to 32. 2A plus 13D is equal to 32. So this is equation 2. So from these two equations we can find the value of A and D. So we will multiply the first equation by 2. So you get 2A plus 6D. Okay, so we don't have to do this. You can straight away use this. So 2A plus 6D is equal to 18 and 2A plus 13D is equal to 32. So we will subtract. So we get minus 7D is equal to minus 14. So D is equal to minus 14 by minus 7 is equal to 2. So you get D is equal to 2. Now we will substitute D is equal to 2 in either of these equations. So we will get 2A is equal to 18 minus 6D is 6 into 2, 12, 6. So A is equal to 3. Now we have to find A28. So A28 is equal to A plus 27D, that is equal to A is 3 plus 27 into 2. So 54 plus 3 is 57. So A28 is equal to 57.